Welcome back to Pin 87. My name's Stefan, and these three connector families handle almost everything on a car. That's why they're so popular. And once you see how easy these are to use, everything clicks. So today, let's make Deutsch connectors simple. These are the three most common Deutsch connector families you see everywhere. DTM, DT, and DTP. They all look similar, they all work in the same way, they're just sized for different jobs. The DTM family is the tiny ones, perfect for signals, sensors, CAN bus lines, anything small and low current. These pins handle 7 amps. The DT family is the workhorse. The connector you see everywhere, about 13 amps per pin. They run all your normal stuff like headlights, wipers, horn circuits, things like that. And the DTP family is the big guys. Roughly 25 amps a pin. These are common for fuel pumps, cooling fans, power windows, basically anything with a high draw. And when you look at how the pin sizes scale and how the housings scale right behind them, you quickly realize how these families work together to power an entire vehicle. And if you want your connectors mounted super cleanly, these little brackets, these little mounting clips, just slide on with a reassuring snap. Super simple, keeps all your wiring tidy. So that's the big picture on these. 3 different Deutsch connector families, DTM, DT, DTP. Same idea. 3 sizes, 3 different jobs. And if you want to really understand these in depth, we're going to do some deep dives on each connector family, and we'll post them in the same playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified when those videos drop, and we'll see you on the next one.